Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to claim goal rewards in BTS Cooking On. In this game, you can claim different goals. To claim the reward, click on 3 bars, then click on the tablet, and now, here you can see all of the goals. I don't have any finished goal, but if you have, for example, this is gonna be serve dishes to 110 customers. When I finish this goal, I can claim it. And here I can see the reward for the goal. In this case, it's gonna be unlimited hearts for 15 minutes. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.